The story of Tortoise and the Bird. One day, a tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have! It is made of broken twigs, it has no roof, and looks crude and ugly. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest." To which bird said, "Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to the elements of nature. It is crude, but I built it and I like it. I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine," said the tortoise. "You must be jealous of my shell." To which the bird replied, "Has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house. I have a best home," said the bird happily. Moral of the story is, it is better to have a crowded hut than a lonely mansion. Thanks for watching.